Hello everybody. I was trying to look for information about Renault Mégane having high revs after changing the dephaser pulley and also cleaning the throttle body and butterfly valve. However, I couldn't find anything on YouTube, so I thought I'm just gonna upload this short video as information, because maybe somebody would like to know how to recalibrate the throttle body. Because the problem that I got after I fixed the car is that the revs were high, about 1500 to 2000 RPMs, and also when I start the car it just stopped after 5 seconds unless I pushed the gas and revved it to like 2000, and it didn't really run good. So anyway, this is how I did. I disconnected the battery and I let the car sit for a couple of minutes, and then I reconnected the battery and I just put the card key in and just press the start button. And because on the Mégane 2005 1.6 with the core K4M engine, if you don't have neutral and press brake or press the clutch, it doesn't start, but the ignition starts. Anyway, so I started the ignition and then I just leave the car with the ignition on for a couple of minutes, and then I press start, and lo and behold, the revs are fine. It was a little bit strange for the first kilometers. As you can see, after I removed the battery and put it back in, or disconnected actually, I drive 13.9 kilometers. So let's see here. The average speed is not really high, but it doesn't really matter. Just drive like normal. And let's ignore that. So I use 1.1 liters of fuel for that. The average is also now 8.3, but before I did this the average was like 12, because also engine braking, it didn't completely turn off the fuel, it seems like. So I just hope this helps, and any questions you can just write in the comments. Thank you.